Hi, in this topic, we will understand the first normal form. First normal form ensures that each column in a table only contains the atomic values by eliminating the repeating groups. Well, there are four rules if you want to apply the first normal form on any of the table. You have four rules. First rule is about atomic value, unique column names, fixed column type, and order independence. Let us try to understand this by means of an example. If you see, this is the student table, right? This is what? The student table. Now, let me copy this here. This is the student table we have. This is a bad table. As per the database normalization, there is a problem with this table. If you can identify, well and good. If you can identify the problem, pause the video and write it in the comment box. What is the problem with this structure, or what is the problem with this DB? So if you look at carefully, some problems I will show you. Name of this column, I can show you few problems. A name of this column, name of this column and name of this column, first problem. Second column, when you see the subject column is having comma separated values. Can you see that? A comma B, two subjects it is having, A comma BB. Third problem is with these two. The column name is DOB. The first column is containing the date value over here, which is correct. And remaining two rows are containing text kind of data. Right? So you have found few problems over here. These problems will create trouble while you search the data, insert the data, update the data. That is anomalies we have seen. This is bad. And this table can be normalized by applying first normal form. Right? Remember that this column is a course name. This column is a course name. See, the both column names are same, name. Okay. Name and name. Now let us see what is the normalized version of the same table. When you talk about the normalized version, normalized version will look like this. Normalized version will look like this. That is nothing but y font just a minute. Okay, let's move ahead. Now if you look at this table, both the tables together, first normal form says that atomic values, one column, can you see subject, you cannot have comma separated values. This has been addressed. Can you see? 1 ABC AA comma BB, date and the course name, right? 1 ABC AA, this date and course name FF. Again 1 ID ABC BB, this date and the course name, same. So for these two comma separated values, we created two rows over here. two rows we have created. Similarly for PP, QQ, right? So here we have resolved first problem. Second problem here we have resolved. Name, if you see, unique column name, each attribute, your each column name should be unique. Otherwise database get confused what to do. Otherwise database get confused what to do. In which column, if name and name column name are same, and if you want to insert data, in which name it should insert, this name or this name. That's why column names should be unique. Fixed column type. So this problem, if the type of this is a date, whole column should contain the date only, not like this, not like this. Whole column should contain what? Date only. Getting my point? Here DOB is there and here you are entering the text. This is not allowed. There is a fixed column type. Order independence. So when you talk about order independence, the sequence of these things doesn't matter. You can have any sequence over here while inserting the data or working with the data. This sequence doesn't matter. That's what the order independence is. If you adhere to these rules, you bring database to the first normal form, which set the foundation for the further normalization and helps to maintain the data integrity and efficiency in the data retrieval and the manipulation operations. So this is nothing but what the first normal form is. This is what the first normal form. First normal form addresses atomic values, unique column names, fixed column type, order independence. I hope you have understood this concept of normalization. If you have understood, write it in the comment box. If you have any queries, questions, write it in the comment box. Thank you.